Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, Creative Question 4. This creative question I will solve in this class, and creative question 2 is given for your homework, that is given from your book from chapter 1 exercise 1 question number 10. Okay dear students, in the last class I have solved creative question 3 and creative question 1 is given for your homework, that was from exercise 1 question number 9, and today's HW is exercise 1 question number 10. Okay dear students, now see creative question 4. The students, here are some geometric figures are given. This one is the first figure, second figure, third figure. These figures are formed, suppose these figures are formed with sticks, forms with sticks. Okay dear students, so we can say the number of sticks in the first figure. How many sticks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say in the first figure here are 6 sticks. I can indicate here 6. In the second figure, how many sticks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 sticks here. Now see the third figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 sticks here. Okay dear students, now see here first question. Write the numeric pattern of the given geometric pattern. As the given information is the shape of geometric figure, so this pattern is geometric pattern, and we have to write the numeric pattern in question A from the given geometric pattern. Question B, determine the fourth term of the given pattern and show its geometric figure. We have to find the fourth pattern or fourth term. We have to find the fourth term of the given geometric pattern. We have to find the fourth term. Okay. Now question C, determine the algebraic expression for the given pattern and find its 100th term. It means that we have to determine the algebraic expression for the given pattern at first, then we have to find the 100th term. Okay dear students, let us see the solution. Question A, we can write the given information here. Given in the first figure, or in the first term, number of sticks in the first figure. We can write here number of sticks in the first figure is how many number of sticks here? I have counted at first, that is 6, and number of sticks in the second figure is, here I have counted, that is 11 sticks here. Number of sticks in the third figure is, here I have counted, that is 16. Number of sticks is 16. I have counted at first. The students, so 6, 11, 16 make a pattern, make a pattern. These numbers make a pattern. That pattern will be the required numeric pattern of the given geometric pattern. So we can write the numeric pattern of the given geometric pattern. Given geometric pattern is, what will be the pattern here? The students, now see the numbers 6, 11 and 16. So we can write here 6, 11 and 16, and in this way the numbers will proceed. Okay, so this is our required pattern. This is our required pattern for question A. The students, I hope you have understood our solution of first question. If you want to write the answer, you can write the answer only this pattern 6, 11, 16 in this way. Okay, dear students, now I will solve question B. What is question B? Determine the fourth term of the given pattern and show its geometric figure. At first we have to find the fourth term of the pattern. The students, now we can write from A, we'll get the numeric pattern of the given geometric pattern. So we can write here from A, we get the numeric pattern of the given geometric pattern. Is 6, 11 and 16. This is obtained from A. Okay, now we have to find the next term. Here this is the pattern, so we can find the difference between two consecutive terms. Here the difference between two terms is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. 16 minus 11 is 5. It means that always the difference of two consecutive terms is same, that is 5. So we can say the next number after 16, it means fourth term or fourth number will be 5 more than 16. So you can say, observe that the difference between two consecutive terms is 5. So the fourth term of the pattern will be, we have to add 5 with 16. 16 plus 5, or that is 21, or we can write here equal. We can write or equal. that is 21. This is the fourth term. It means that in the fourth figure we have to use 21 sticks, and the figure we have to draw according to the given pattern, So we have to draw the figure now. Okay, dear students, now see. Now the geometric figure of the fourth term is given below. Now see the geometric figure. I am drawing the figure now. Now I have to draw another one here. The students, this figure will be the required figure. Now count the number of sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now this one, count this one now again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 sticks here. So this is our required figure for the fourth pattern. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question B. Now I will solve question C. The students, what is question C? Question C is determine the algebraic expression for the given pattern and find its 100th term. The students, now we have to determine the algebraic expression for the given pattern and then we have to find 100th term. Okay, now see question C. Given pattern is, what is the given pattern here? We know the pattern 6, 11 and 16. This is obtained from A. Now see the difference here between two consecutive terms. Difference, that is 5. Difference between two consecutive terms is 5. So we can write here now, here first term is 6. We can express 6 as 5 plus 1. We can write this 5 as product of 5 and 1, and here is 1, I can write 1. The students, in the last class I have shown you a technique to find the algebraic expression, that is when the difference of two consecutive terms are equal, then you have to take that one at first, and for the first term you have to multiply that by 1. Use this technique. Here also. Second term 11. We can write this as 10 plus 1. It means that 5 into 2 plus 1. Third term, that is 16. 16 means we can write here as 15 plus 1. 15 means 5 into 3 plus 1. The students, it means that now observe that difference 5, difference 5, difference 5. For the first term 1, for the first term 2, for the second term 2, for the third term 3. So if we want to find the 100th term, so we have to multiply 5 by 100, then we have to add 1. In this way we can find. But we need to find the algebraic expression. It means we need to consider alphabetical symbol here. Suppose the symbol is n. So we need to find the nth term. Proceeding in this way, we can find the nth term. Nth term. So nth term will be product of 5 and n, and then we have to add 1. This is the algebraic expression, which is the required algebraic expression, where now I have to write what is the value of n here. So where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these numbers. It means n means natural number. N means natural number here. Okay, dear students. Now, as we know the algebraic expression, so we can find the 100th term. We can find the 100th term. This is our required algebraic expression. Now, which is the required algebraic expression. Which is the required algebraic expression. So 100th term will be equal to, we have to multiply 5 by 100, we have to multiply 5 by 100, then we have to add 1. We can use dot here as we have used dot in every case, so we can use here. So multiply 5 and 100, it will be 500, then add 1, it will be 501. So this is the 100th term of the pattern. Dear students, we need to determine the algebraic expression for the given pattern. This is the algebraic expression for the given pattern, and find its 100th term. Here, this is the 100th term. So I have solved question C. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. That's all for today, and a homework is given for your annual examination. This is homework 41. At the beginning of the class, I have told that this is your creative question 2 from chapter 1, and you will get this question in your book in exercise 1, question 10. This is a creative question. Solve this one as your homework and submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.